But she's from Nicaragua, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up, or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no, I wanna turn up. Oh, no, I wanna turn up.
Evisceration is protrusion of organs. External hemorrhage means external bleeding, which is obvious. Active passive range of motion is when your patient they're able to perform range of motion exercise with little assistance. Active, the patient does not need any help. They can do it on their own. They're just kind of supervising. Next is rest, ice compression, and internal bleeding. Healing intentions, primary, secondary, late primary. Hello to my vlog. This is like by far the worst angle ever, but it's okay. I don't know when was the last time I picked up my camera, but today is April 2nd, second day of the month. It's a new month, and I got my hair done like a while ago in the beginning of this video. I think that's how I started out this video. So my hair is like, it's kind of like an old silk press now, because I was like, I don't know, about like a week, 2 weeks, y'all. I've been like so busy with school, it's not even funny. Like, I don't even have time to breathe. I don't even have time to breathe, but I've been recording here and there still, so yeah, I really want to get this video out by the end of this week. So hopefully when y'all are watching this, I will have 2 videos out, or a video out before this. So yeah, I just had a little tutoring session because tomorrow I have a big exam, my exam 3 in my fundamentals class. So that's pretty much that. So I'm about to go ahead and wrap my hair, though. I want to do my lashes. I might go to the store and get me some little cute press-on nails, because I just been feeling so not cute. And I already did some online shopping today from Zara, Urban Outfitters, and I really want to purchase my Shein card, but I feel like I'm gonna hold off on that for a minute. So yeah, I think I'm about to do my hair and then probably like go to the hair store to get some nails, or I might do that tomorrow after my class. If I pass my test, that would be my reward. So I want to show you guys this super duper cute bag that I got from, girls are calling it the Friendzz on TikTok. So this purse is from the Friendzz. I don't have my tripod, so I'm like struggling. Let me take this out, y'all. So this purse is from the Friendzz, and she's super duper cute. She's like a little baby blue, perfect for the summer, and I just love it. It's super cute. Just go ahead and click the link down below. It'll be in the description box and all of that good stuff.
I need a little bit of that sunshine. You know I'm finna go all night. Yeah, you know. Try to get gold off of my high. Yeah, try to get gold off of my bed. Try to give me gold off of there. Try to give me gold off my eye. I'm whipping up my eyes. Give me at my house. I'm so ready. I'm so in a benzo. Jumping my smoke. Gotta spin this bitch on me like a poncho. I'm with a wrist hole. With a hip hop.
Guys, look at the lashes. Oh, I got this little pen mark, y'all. Today has been a terrible day. This video is all over the place, y'all. I don't know. I feel like this is like probably gonna be like one of the most raw, uncut videos on my channel ever. But I did terrible on my nursing exam. Like, terrible. And now I'm in this predicament of I'm either gonna drop this class or I'm gonna keep pushing, but I already had, talks with like my mom, nurse mentor, that's a nurse practitioner. And I don't think I'm gonna drop this class, y'all. I just really need to. I don't know. Drop this class, I'm gonna have to retake it. If I fail this class, I'm gonna have to either way I gotta retake it. So I might as well try. And I know I can do it. I know I can do it. I know I can do it. So I'm already studying. Today. I don't know. And it's such a lovely day outside. I was just not expecting this to be my outcome. I don't know, y'all. I feel like I'm just putting hours and 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 hours. So much time in the nursing, and I'm not always getting the results that I expect or desire or feel like. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go to the gym later tonight and probably get some ice cream, a smoothie, something. Tomorrow I have clinicals. I have until Friday to decide if I want to drop this class. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated and everything. But yeah, tomorrow I don't have clinicals. Tomorrow I have health assessment. Yeah. But I don't know, y'all. I kind of already picked myself up. I already kind of decided, like, I'm going to just keep going. So what I did was I already started studying for the next chapter. Studying early because, starting early. I purchased these Level Up or In flashcards. And I'm going to just be working. Working. Y'all ain't never seen me. It's like, nah. Yeah, but like nursing school is just on a whole another level of like I know I'm smart, y'all. I know I'm a smart girl. Like I'm a smart girl. Like I got this far, okay? The fact that I even got into nursing school is an achievement in itself. Like Ben had 4.0s Dean's List 3 times, not 1, 3, okay? Like, I don't know. This video is definitely all over the place, but y'all just stick with me.
Yeah. Whoa. I had to cut some niggas out. They didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my
injection is how many milliliters? It's 3 milliliters with a 20 gauge.
Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no bug. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still right these hooks.
All time to get exposed, you ain't banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show. Savage, say you pussy and he hit it on the nose, but that border's open, why you acting like it's closed? I don't know, I be going in and out procession.
Look at my little digital camera, y'all. Like my boyfriend had this, and I wouldn't even say he gave it to me. I low-key stole it, but it's whatever. So cute for summer, like. Anyways, I'm about to go run some errands. I have to pick up my groceries today, which I'm all packed and ready to go. I ain't even ordered my groceries yet. So I'm ordering my groceries. Then I'm gonna go study for like 2 hours-ish. Then edit this video so I can post it tonight. And that's pretty much it. Because I don't know, I still record on my phone, which I definitely recommend starting out with your phone if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, because it gets the job done.
I should break that 10, do a 5, then if it gets live, do a 5 again. If he held his tongue on that live, he'd be alive again. Damn, my uncle's sister knows she raised a real one, ill one. It's been 30 minutes.
Crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a whole stuff.
Peel from. Heard they got some sanctions on my name. Heard they plotting on my name. Heard they banking on my name. I got leader in this bitch and he might spank it on a lane. I'm just what in the cut, throwing frankers on her frame. I'm a gentleman, I'm generous. I blow $500,000 on you hoes. I'm a feminist. I never put no prices on the beef until we end the shit. I pay $500,000 for his soul.